Classic cars are not just machines. They are rolling works of art, holding the essence of an era and the untold stories of their time. Welcome to the Motor Mind, where we dive deep into the world of legendary vehicles, celebrating their timeless beauty and power. Today we explore the 1970 Chevelle SS, a car that encapsulates the soul of American muscle. From its striking black exterior to its exhilarating performance, the Chevelle SS is a symbol of a golden era in automotive history. The moment you lay eyes on the 1970 Chevelle SS, its bold, glossy black finish captures your attention. The sleek body design, with sharp edges and curves that seamlessly flow from front to back, speaks of power and sophistication. The iconic dual white racing stripes running the length of the hood and trunk accentuate its aggressive stance, making the car look like it's always in motion. The wide, chrome-accented grille with the SS badge is instantly recognizable, signifying the car's high-performance pedigree. The dashboard, adorned with chrome accents, features large, clear analog gauges that display crucial information with vintage style. The tachometer and speedometer in particular stand out, evoking the car's racing heritage. The classic three-spoke steering wheel with the SS emblem at the center is perfectly suited for precise handling. Under the hood sits the legendary 454 big block V8 engine, capable of producing 450 horsepower and delivering a heart-pounding driving experience. This powerhouse of an engine allows the Chevelle SS to rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just a few seconds, providing the driver with an adrenaline rush every time they hit the accelerator. The engine's deep, throaty roar is music to the ears of any muscle car lover. The suspension system, designed for both performance and comfort, ensures that the car remains stable at high speeds and handles tight turns with ease. The braking system complements the engine's power, providing confidence and control at any speed. But the 1970 Chevelle SS isn't just about speed, it's about beauty, craftsmanship, and heritage. The exterior design, combined with the refined interior, creates a driving experience that's as exhilarating as it is comfortable. This car is a true icon of American muscle, a car that still evokes admiration and excitement from car enthusiasts around the world. It's a vehicle that embodies the spirit of freedom and rebellion, a machine built for the open road. The 1970 Chevelle SS continues to be a favorite among collectors and automotive lovers, not just for its history, but for the way it makes you feel behind the wheel. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle. So if you appreciate the classics and want more content celebrating the timeless legends of the automotive world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Motor Mind.